Okay, good morning, guys. Sorry, this is gonna be a little shaky. My doc cam's not working, so I'm still recording this with one hand with my phone while I write with the other one. So bear with me. I'm just gonna go through how to solve each of these problems. I feel like we're doing an okay job at understanding, but just in case you need a little extra help, I want us to all have that. So for number 1, I see 21 newtons going to the left, and then I see 15 newtons going to the right. So I'm gonna just do some easy math and take my bigger number, 21 newtons, and I'm gonna subtract the 15 newtons because they're going in opposite directions. So minus 15 newtons is going to equal 6 newtons. And because the bigger force is going to the left instead of the right, it's going to be 6 newtons left. And that is going to be my answer. All right, for number 2, it's a very similar problem. I have 30 newtons going to the left and 12 newtons going to the right. I'm gonna take my 39 newtons, subtract 12 newtons. I'm going to get what? 27 newtons. And that is also going to the left because my bigger force is on the left. And that is my answer for number 2. All right, so here we have to do an extra step. We have 2 forces going in the same direction, so I'm going to add those together. So I'm gonna have 42 newtons going to the right total and 45 newtons going to the left. So my bigger number is 45. So 45 newtons minus 42 newtons equals 3 newtons going to the right. And that will be my answer. I have to do the same thing over here, except instead of adding my 2 forces on the right, I'm adding my 2 forces that are on the left and going to the right. So I'm gonna do 62 newtons plus 27 newtons. I'm gonna get 89 newtons going to the right and 81 newtons going to the left. So my bigger force is on my left going to the right. So I'm gonna put 89 newtons minus 81 newtons, and I'm going to have 8 newtons going to the right because my arrows are pointing right. Okay, for number 5, I have to add on both sides. So I'm just gonna write this stuff under. It's a little easier. I have some more room, so I have 57 newtons and 33 newtons. That's gonna be 90. Oh, my writing's getting not as legible. 90 newtons going to the right. And then I'm gonna have 42 newtons plus 58 newtons. And that is going to be 100. I cannot write apparently. Okay, sorry guys. 100 newtons going to the left. So if I go over here, I'm going to take 100 newtons minus 90 newtons. That's going to leave me with 10 newtons, and it's going to the left because on my bigger side, the arrow is pointing to the left. Okay. There are 5 other problems over here. Woo! Okay. I have 54 newtons going to the right, and 21 going to the left. So I'm going to start writing 54 newtons minus 21 newtons equals 33 newtons, and it's going to be going to the right. Or no, the left, sorry, it's on the right, going to the left. Okay, similar over here. I have 35 minus 17. And that is going to be, I'm going to do my basic subtraction over here. That's going to be 8. 2 minus 1 is 18 newtons. And it's going to the right. Or not, to the left. I keep doing that. Sorry, guys. To the left. From the right side. Getting my directions mixed up. Okay, I'm gonna add here. So 23 newtons plus 18 newtons is going to be 41 newtons. I have 41 newtons going in both directions. So 41 newtons minus 41 newtons is going to be 0 newtons because the forces are equal. There is gonna be no direction. So you don't even have to write a direction. Okay, I have to add on both sides for number 9. So 27 plus 16 newtons is going to be 53. And then 38 plus 7 is going to be 45. So 53 newtons minus 45 newtons is going to be 8 newtons to the right this time because the bigger one's on the right. All right, and our last one, we have 76 going toward the right, 59 going toward the left. So 76 newtons minus 59 newtons is going to be 17 newtons, and 17 newtons going to the left. All right. So here are the answers. I will post the answers in this picture on Google Classroom for you guys as well, so that way you have it. But I just wanted to show you guys how I was doing the math for that. Okay, have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys.